Hola. Hola, Bill Gates.
Aló.
Hola, Bill Gates.
Aló.
Hola.
Hola.
All right. ¿Tú hablas español, Bill Gates?
Sí.
Sí, está bien, está bien. But ahora vamos a hablar en inglés. ¿Ok?
Sí.
Vamos a hablar en inglés. All right, Bill Gates. Okay. Hello, everyone. Good morning or good afternoon. It depends the time you see my video. But my name is Antonio Sherry. So, and this is my son Bill Gates. Bill Gates Anderson Sherry. This is my son. But we are here this morning to ask you to go to follow or subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel. All right. So don't forget that. Go to subscribe to my YouTube channel today. What now? All right. Bill Gates. Say all right. We are waiting for you.